Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. Unfortunately, my Instant Pot is pretty emotionally withholding, so I have to find hobbies. I collect Hummels, I write Dick Cheney fan fiction, I make delicious breakfasts for Instant Pot and me after a night of intimacy and terror. And sometimes ingredients just show up so I can make things. Got eggs, crackers, flour, and more eggs, and sausage. Beautiful, squishy, fragrant sausage. Everything in my life is hard, edged, and not warm. And if I held this long enough, it would feel like skin and I would feel less alone. I could make a friend out of it. How are you today, pork? I'm fine. You smell delicious. I wonder if I should try you. I want you to be in my mouth now.
Kat, what are you doing?
Hi, Mr. Grimm.
But you're eating raw pork? You clearly have all the ingredients here for Scotch eggs and you're eating raw pork. Look, it's all in this book. You can see, look.
You brought a book?
Yeah,
Books aren't allowed.
No, look, this is the extra crispy breakfast book. It's great. It's got all sorts of breakfast recipes, Scotch eggs, waffles, pancakes, whatever you want. So put the pork down. Put the pork down. You gotta put the pork down.
What do we have to do?
You put that and that and that, and then you put it in there and you fry it. So look, we're gonna make Scotch eggs. Take that.
Where'd that come from?
And that, and then we're gonna, see?
I have pork. Do I need
You're
more
gonna take
pork?
the pork, yep.
Touch the pork.
You can
Mr.
touch the
Grimm,
pork.
Touch the pork.
Kind of pound it down
Look,
there.
Mr. Grimm, it's Instant Pot.
Yeah, he's all right. No, he's
Instant
fine.
Pot, it's our best friend, Mr. Grimm.
He's your best friend.
Where does pork come from? Are there still pigs?
Sure. How long have you been down here?
Down where?
In this cave.
What?
So you're gonna take one of these and put it in that.
What is that?
It's an egg.
What's it an egg from?
So you gotta make a little dimple. No, that's my dimple. You make your dimple there, and then you put the egg like that.
That's an egg?
That's the egg, and you want it to be upright like so. Wrap up the eggs like so.
It's a little meat house.
Have a little womb there.
I think I did this okay, but there's room for improvement. Mr. Grimm, what do you do when there's too much pork?
What you gotta do is you gotta make a little pork tourniquet like so, and you squeeze out the excess pork.
I might actually explode from happiness.
Don't make a mess, all right?
Are you a monster?
No.
Put the salt in the flour. I'm not allowed to touch the pepper grinder. I don't know why.
You got the eggs and the sausage in the bowl, like that. And you wanna do one of these, kind of, it's a little, kind of like that. So plop one of yours in.
Wait, oh, I did it wrong. I did it wrong. I'm gonna be punished. Mr. Grimm, we're gonna be punished.
Oh yeah.
If all food is girls, what things are boys?
Buildings.
What are cars?
They don't have a gender. We're gonna do a little egg bath here.
Does it have soap in the egg bath?
Kat, I don't know what that means. I'm not responding to it, all right? We're gonna go like that.
Not allowed to have baths.
Kinda,
Just showered
that.
while Instant Pot watches and takes pictures.
And then you put it right here. And kind of roll it around.
Mr. Grimm, we made a child together. Are we gonna eat them now?
Oh no. We're gonna fry them in your buddy Instant Pot there.
Instant Pot isn't my buddy. Instant Pot is my life partner.
Okay.
Do you have a dog?
Oh yeah.
Mr. Grimm?
Yeah, I have 100 dogs. Ready to fry?
It's fry time! It's very hot in there. Be careful, Mr. Grimm, of your mortal
Very
flesh.
careful.
The eggs have to cook for a couple of minutes. Now it's time to dance, Mr. Grimm.
Okay, sure.
Do you know what time it is, Mr. Grimm? It's Scotch egg time! Mr. Grimm, do you want to cut into the balls?
Yeah, I'd love to. It's all three food groups. You got crackers, you got sausage, and you got eggs.
Mr. Grimm, thanks for being my best friend.
Hey, thank you for being my favorite acquaintance.
I'm his favorite. Mr. Grimm, this is so good. His egg is here. And he left this. So many excellent breakfast recipes in here. Pork too. I'm gonna cook all my pork from now on. Thanks, Mr. Grimm.